Listen. Right now. Stop. Stop scrolling. Stop running. Stop pretending you're okay when your chest feels like it's caving in. You clicked this because something inside you is screaming. And I hear it. I hear the nights you stare at the ceiling, wondering if this is all there is. I hear the voice that says, you're too late, too broke, too broken. I hear the world laughing at your dreams while you drown in bills, in doubt, in regret. But let me tell you about a woman who hit rock bottom so hard the world wrote her obituary before she was even dead. J.K. Rowling, single mom, depressed, on welfare, rejected by 12 publishing houses, living in a flat so cold she wrote in cafes just to stay warm. She wasn't just broke, she was broken. She called it the biggest failure of her life. But here's what she discovered in the darkness. Failure stripped everything away that wasn't real. All the noise, all the expectations, all the fake versions of herself she was trying to be. Failure left her with nothing but herself. And in that nothing, she found everything. You feel that? That's the moment I'm talking about. That moment when life punches you so hard in the soul. You finally stop lying to yourself. You're there right now, aren't you? You're tired of pretending. Tired of the job that's killing your spirit. Tired of the debt that's choking your future. Tired of looking in the mirror and not recognizing the person staring back. Good. Because rock bottom has a foundation. Rock bottom is where legends are built. You think success is a straight line? No. Success is forged in the fire of failure. You don't rise to the top. You fall, you crash, you burn, and then you rebuild from the ashes. J.K. Rowling said, rock bottom became the solid foundation on which I rebuilt my life. Say that out loud. Rock bottom became the solid foundation. Your failure is not the end. It's the beginning. You lost the job? Good. Now you're free. They left you? Good. Now you know who was never meant to stay. Your book got rejected. Your business failed. Your body gave out. Your bank account hit zero? Good. Because now there's no more room for excuses. You can't fall any lower. The only way left is up. But here's what most people don't understand. Failure only destroys the weak parts of you. The fear, the laziness, the need for approval, the comfort addiction. Failure is the greatest teacher you'll ever have if you're willing to listen. And right now, I need you to listen close. You are not your past. You are not your mistakes. You are not the rejection letters. You are not the nights you cried yourself to sleep. You are what you do next. J.K. Rowling sat in that cafe, baby sleeping beside her, writing a story nobody believed in. Not even her. She wrote anyway. She bled on those pages. Every doubt, every fear, every tear, she poured it into Harry Potter. And the world said no 12 times. But the 13th said yes. One yes. That's all it takes. One yes after 1,000 no's. You don't need everyone to believe in you. You just need to believe in you when nobody else does. That's the difference between who you are now and who you're about to become. I need you to feel this in your bones. Failure is not your enemy. Failure is your sculptor. It's chiseling away everything that's not supposed to be there. Every no is carving you into the masterpiece you were born to be. You think you're suffering? No. You're being sharpened. You think you're breaking? No. You're breaking through. There's a version of you on the other side of this pain that the current you cannot even imagine. Stronger, wiser, hungrier, unstoppable. But that version doesn't come from comfort. That version is born in the dark, when the world counts you out, when your own mind tells you to quit. That's when warriors are made. You are in the cocoon right now. It's dark, it's tight, it's suffocating, but you're not dying. You're transforming. And when you break out, the world won't recognize you, because you won't be the same scared small person who crawled in there. You'll have wings. J.K. Rowling is now worth over $1 billion, but she'll tell you herself she'd give it all back to have the peace she found at rock bottom, because at rock bottom she found herself, and that is priceless. You don't need money, you don't need fame, you don't need permission. You need to decide right now, in this moment, that your story isn't over, that your failure is just the first chapter, that the pain you're feeling is labor pain. You're giving birth to the real you, the one who doesn't quit, the one who doesn't beg for approval, the one who looks fear in the face and says, "You hit like a bitch." I need you to stand up right now. Wherever you are, stand up, put your hand on your chest. Feel that heartbeat. That's purpose. That's power. That's proof that you're still in the fight. As long as that heart is beating, you haven't lost. You've just been training. Every tear was a rep. Every no was a rep. Every sleepless night was a rep. You've been in the gym this whole time, and you didn't even know it. Now it's time to step into the ring. The world is waiting for your comeback, not your excuse. Your comeback. You are not a victim of your circumstances. You are a victor waiting on your moment, and this is it. This video didn't find you by accident. You needed to hear this today, because today is the day you stop surviving and start conquering. Get up, wipe your face, square your shoulders, look in that mirror and say, "I've been through hell and I'm still standing. I've been knocked down, but I'm not knocked out. My failure was my freedom. My pain was my power." I am J.K. Rowling in the cafe. I am writing my story, and nobody can stop me. The fringe benefits of failure: freedom, clarity, strength, courage, and the greatest benefit of all, you finally meet the real you, the one who was hiding behind comfort, the one who was waiting for permission, the one who is unstoppable. Welcome to your new life. It starts right now, not tomorrow, not Monday, not when you feel ready. Right now, take the first step, send the email, make the call, write the page, run the mile, cry if you have to, scream if you have to. But move, because the world needs your magic, and you've been holding it back long enough. You are not failing. You are becoming. And when you look back on this moment, when you're standing on top of the mountain you once thought you'd die on, you'll smile, you'll cry, and you'll whisper, "Thank God I didn't quit. Thank God I didn't quit. Now go. The world is waiting. Your throne is waiting. Your victory is waiting. And it's got your name written all over it. This is not the end. This is the beginning. Now, rise. Rise like the legend you were born to be. I believe in you, even when you don't, especially when you don't. Now prove me right. Go.